tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on it. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have a fucking monster project here. This one got blasted in this back corner. Whenever I cut this out, the roof is gonna wanna drop. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this stuff back off, and I'm gonna get the inside stuff welded in. So I have this quarter panel roughly sitting on there so I could fit up my wheelhouse, make sure it's sitting like it's supposed to. And I have it all fit together now, all 3 pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna weld those 3 pieces in, and then I will lift the quarter back off, and then I will be at the point where I start doing my final fitment on the quarter panel and getting it prepped out and welded on. I got this quarter panel all fit up. Everything's fitting nicely. My gaps are looking good on the back. Gaps are looking good at the door. It sits on there very nice. So I'm gonna lift it back off. It gets a coat of sealer right through the gas pocket right here that keeps fumes. If you don't seal that, it can get fumes in the car whenever you fuel up. It'll get a gas smell inside the car. So I gotta put sealer there. And then I will put this back on permanently and get it welded on.